A staple in Portsmouth is getting a touch-up after council invested money into maintaining it. WSAZ's Hannah Bazet traveled to Portsmouth to meet with the artist who's now seeing this project through until the end.
Once seen as a short-term project, the Floodwall Murals in Portsmouth have now been growing for over 30 years. Muralist Robert Dafford began working on these paintings back in 1972, but has come back to keep working on them every year since.
At first we were only going to do a couple of murals, but I gradually accepted the condition of doing the entire wall.
Now, the city's Regional Economic Development Council granting over $200,000 into the project.
That it has such an economic impact that they gave us a grant to do restoration of the older murals.
From the very beginning, Dafford worked with local historians to depict American history with over 55 murals that stretch more than 1,000 feet throughout the city.
Local people relate to their relatives and their lives. Their life stories are all threaded through the entire project. Out-of-towners usually are just amazed at the size and the quality and the quantity of this much artwork.
Artwork that has taken up 30 years of Robert's career, but has given him new friendships, new memories, and a second home right here in Portsmouth.
Well, I hope that people feel uplifted, mainly, feel better. When you look at good art, you feel better. And when you look at good art that has meaning to you, that's even more important.
Hannah Bazet, WSAZ, Portsmouth.
He and his team will continue working on those Floodwall murals until November, when it does become a little bit too cold to work.